the 1953 discovery of DNA structure. In 1953, the world of science was forever changed by a groundbreaking discovery that would shape our understanding of life itself. In a small laboratory at Cambridge University, two scientists, James Watson and Francis Crick, unveiled a structure that had eluded researchers for decades, the double helix of DNA. This discovery was not just a moment of triumph for Watson and Crick, but for science as a whole, unlocking the secrets of genetics and heredity in ways never before imagined. The story of this discovery begins with years of intense collaboration and competition. Watson, an ambitious American biologist, and Crick, a brilliant British physicist, had been working tirelessly piecing together the puzzle of how genetic information was stored within cells. They were not alone in their quest. In fact, they were aware of the work of other researchers like Rosalind Franklin, whose X-ray crystallography images had given critical clues about the structure of DNA. Yet it was Watson and Crick who would be the ones to piece it all together. Through a combination of logic, intuition, and the invaluable data from Franklin's work, Watson and Crick concluded that DNA was made up of two intertwined strands, forming a twisted ladder-like structure. The steps of the ladder, composed of pairs of nitrogenous bases, formed the key to how genetic information could be copied and transmitted from one generation to the next. This double helix model would soon become the iconic symbol of modern genetics. When Watson and Crick presented their model to the world, it was not just the structure of a molecule they revealed, it was a blueprint for life itself. The implications were profound. Suddenly, scientists could begin to understand how traits were inherited, how mutations occurred, and how genetic disorders could be passed down. It opened the door to fields like genetic engineering, personalized medicine, and molecular biology. The discovery of the DNA double helix was not the end of the story. It was only the beginning. It sparked decades of research that would lead to the mapping of the human genome, advances in biotechnology, and countless breakthroughs. Today, the structure of DNA is one of the most famous images in science, a symbol of discovery, curiosity, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. If you enjoyed this story, help the channel grow by liking, sharing, and subscribing.